Hello everybody. For the next few videos we are going to be looking at graphs, and we're going to be making our own graphs. And if you are using Thonny, we're going to be using something, actually if you're using Thonny or Trinket, we're going to be using something called matplotlib. So what I want you to do is type in import matplotlib. And if you have something that comes up that says no module named matplotlib, if you're on Trinket, you do not have to do this. If you're on Thonny, this is something we need to import. So in order to put that on your device, you're going to want to go to Tools, Manage Packages, and then we type in matplotlib. Hit Enter, and matplotlib should pop up. And now we click Install. And now we wait as it installs. Now I paused that so you didn't have to wait for my computer to install everything. Now it's installed, and now we can close it. Now what we should be able to do is type in import matplotlib down here, and it should have nothing happen. If it gives you another error, you can try what we just did again, or you can just forget about using Thonny for the next few lessons and just use Trinket, and just because this might be tough to troubleshoot on each person's computer. So give this a shot. If not, switch over to Trinket.